Okay, that's the office right there. I'm in the new campground here in northern Illinois, and I want you to see the sky. Look at, yeah, it's thundering and lightning. Here's where we're parked. Oh, there goes the lightning. We got a bad storm coming. So it's Steve and Dana are on the other side of the creek. I'm going to be moving over there tomorrow. And we're watching the weather. I still get the emergency weather forecasts from the university where I used to be the emergency manager. Met a real nice lady over here today. Her name's Diane. She's got the cutest little rig. Really cute little Four Winds there. Adorable. It's in great shape for a 2000. Really nice lady. But when I was walking Danny, check out the clouds. It's gonna storm. We'll see what happens.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
Can you smell it? Smell-o-vision, fresh coffee. She could smell it. It smells so good. Nice and hot coffee. Beautiful day, but it wasn't such a great night. Devastating tornadoes touched down here in the suburbs of Chicago in Illinois and severely damaged many homes. So far, thankfully, nobody has been killed. That was wonderful. I went through our camp last night. The storm did before any of the tornadoes, before the tornado had formed. So we had some thunderstorms here last night, but nothing out of the ordinary for me as a Midwestern. Nothing I'm not used to. I just stayed in my little camper, actually with the doors open, the windows open, and enjoyed the breeze. But my prayers do go out to those in the suburbs that suffered such severe damage. So I'm mixing up some green peppers and onions, and I'm going to make my favorite eggs in purgatory, only this time I'm adding green peppers and onions to my spaghetti gravy. And then I'm going to use traditional Prego, put it in there, and then after I warm it up, stick my eggs in there and baste them. Eggs in purgatory. I've made them before, and I make them a different way all the time. But here is something I did want to show you. When you talk about recycling or utilizing your garbage more than once, recycling, I use my water bottles. I cut the top off and I put it upside down, and then I can, when the grease is cooler, like this is some grease that was cooled off a little bit, I can just put them in here, or you could pour it right into the funnel. Like if you're doing it from a frying pan, you could just like pour it in there. I'm using that as an example, and then store it there and fill that up, and then later on it's in there, it dries up, and if you really wanted to, you could stick this in there and use some duct tape, put some duct tape around it, and still put your lid back on, and then throw it in the trash. Just one of the things I do with my grease when I'm camping. But don't drop the egg on the floor on your foot. Don't drop the egg on the floor on your foot and waste an egg like I just did. And Danny's running over here trying to lick it up. I am going to put that raw egg in her food, and she's going to love it. It'll be great for her coat because it didn't come all the way out. It may look like goulash, but let me tell you something, it tastes wonderful. And here's the eggs that were basted in my peppers and onions. And some people like to put a little Tabasco on there or top it with Parmesan cheese. Bon appetit! So I was able to get in a day early at the RV park through my 1,000 trails, which worked out great because of the storm last night was really bad, and I'm glad I didn't have to sit through that at Walmart. They were really nice about getting me into a spot, which meant though that I would have to switch to a new spot today, which was no problem. I mean, I just got a nice pull through. So I guess I just happened to be very close to our buddies over here. There we go. I'm gonna go see what's going on at the family's homestead. I see bikes, so I think maybe everybody's home. And so we're walking the dogs, and Dana ran into check out the women's room over here, check it out. And look at Banjo. Banjo will not move. He's going to sit there and wait for his mama till she comes out. Look at you. He doesn't even want to look at me. He's turning his head. I'm waiting for my mom. I'm not going with you. I'm not going with you and Danny. You want to go sit with Banjo while he waits for his mommy? What do you think, Danny?
It's okay. She'll be here in a minute. Don't worry, Banjo. I'll wait for you to wait for your mom.
We're having corn on the cob, hot dogs, Nathan's and Vienna's, hamburglers, all kinds of good stuff. Big salad, tomato salad. Look at big salad.
We're not over there where all this smoke's going.
Or what?
Where all this smoke's going. Did you mention corn on the cob?
Corn on the cob we
I
bought.
put it over there.
We've got it. It's all done. We're just keeping it warm over here on the edge.
No, you can't come out. No, you can't.
Nope, the doggies are inside. Gonna be cooking my burgers in a minute here. Yum, yum. We're sharing our campsite. We've parked so that our doors open in with lots of bike riding. Ginormous, our campsite, because of the way we situated us.
My music stopped playing. You want mayonnaise?
Strings on here.
No, thank you. Barbecue sauce? No, thank you.
This corn looks like it is perfectly cooked.
The corn, good.
Yeah.
Ooh, yum.
See? Then I'm gonna put the what is it on it, Dana? Can't think of what it's called. Parmesan.
Parmesan and mayonnaise?
This is mayo, yeah.
Yeah.
I would do butter and Parmesan.
Yeah, I've always done that, but Dana came up with this,
know.
and it's
But
really good.
I put the mayo and the garlic and Parmesan on top of chicken.
I had a napkin earlier.
It
Oh,
is
here
so
it is.
good.
Did you get some sauce, Ethan?
These are homemade fries. Dana made them homemade. I already got some in my dish, but I want to show you. A yum, yum, yum. They don't need barbecue sauce, but
It's sort of cold down.
everything is so good.
Yeah.
And even Banjo and Danny's got her hamburger right. Here's Danny's hamburger right there. I'm going to bring it into her in a little bit. So this really nice neighbor over here that the kids are playing with, their two little ones. One's like 5 and the other one is like 2, little girl. They saw us bringing a couple pieces of wood from the community wood pile over to our fire pit because we didn't see any at Walmart. So it's a community fire pit that we took like 3 pieces from to have a little fire tonight. And the man brought over a whole bunch of kindling and some pieces of wood. He said he's got all kinds of wood at his house and that he was happy to share it with us. Wasn't that nice? That was really nice. So we're gonna have a campfire tonight. It's Wednesday. Yep, and we're gonna have a campfire. And I was working on trying to reallocate some of my stuff from my trailer to my van today, working in the van and cleaning up some stuff in the van. That's all I did all day, but it was a rainy day this morning, but then it turned out to be a beautiful day. The sun came out and it's been beautiful. So I can't wait to have a campfire because we haven't had a campfire here yet. Not a lot of people here, but it's nice and cool and quiet. It's a beautiful, cool night. Perfect for a fire. And I'm gonna have a salad. A taco salad with leftovers. Yum, yum. And then I'll bring Danny out. What a perfect end to a perfect day. So you want to stay up and watch TV?
Well, yes, I would like to, if it's okay.
Okay, I guess we could stay up and watch TV. You're being a good girl, and your haircut looks really cute anyway.
Thanks, Mom.
And if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down,